Hey guys, welcome to Peace Vitamins Professional Repair. Today we're just going to be demonstrating how to copy and activate the True Tone settings on obviously copy from one screen to the new screen. Let's begin. So there's a programmer, which you need to just plug it in and it's going to turn on, as you can see, and that's the support 7P, 7G, XS, XR, etc. So we're going to plug it in. Basic, simply all you need to do is you're going to plug in the existing display, you're going to plug into XS, XS. You see then it'll pop up with the LCD serial number and gas gauge serial number, etc. This is critical for True Tone display. The brightness, etc. If you do not copy this, True Tone will not activate. You're going to say read, it will say success. You're going to unplug, you're going to take the new display, you're going to plug that onto the as you can see over there, it's all blank. We need to say right. As we can see now, that it's pulled all the gas gauge serial numbers, etc. Now this screen is basically identical. This screen and this screen will activate True Tone on this phone. Phone's disabled. Missed that part. Just enable the phone. If we go now to display and brightness, we can now see that True Tone is actually activated. That means that the serial number did function and work. Without copying those settings, brightness, etc. will now function. Ambient light sensor will also work. This is a successful repair on iPhone X. This applies from iPhone 8 all the way up to iPhone 11. Without this, you can, and please remember, you can only do this with AAA quality or original. Anything lower, it will not work. We cannot put those onto, it can burn the phone, it can destroy the phone, True Tone will not work. It needs to be high quality. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe. Enjoy. See you in the next one.